How to create a faceless YouTube channel using only AI, step-by-step tutorial. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to start a fully faceless, automated YouTube channel using only AI tools, even if you're a total beginner. Step 1. Choose your niche. Use ChatGPT or Notion AI to generate high-demand, low-competition YouTube niches. Popular faceless niches. 1. Motivation and success. 2. Tech explainers. 3. Top 10 lists. 4. Relaxing ambient videos. 5. Horror storytelling. Tool suggestion. ChatGPT prompt. Suggest 5 high-demand YouTube niches suitable for faceless AI channels in 2025. Step 2. Research and script writing. Use ChatGPT to write your video script. Show an example. Prompt to write a 5-minute video script. Add call to action, intro and outro using AI. Step 3. AI voiceover. Tools. ElevenLabs Murf.ai, LOVO or Play. HT for voice cloning. Step 4. AI video creation. Tools. Pictory AI text to video. InVideo, Heygen or Synthesia for stock footage. Step 5. AI thumbnail and title. Use Canva, Visme or Thumbnail AI to create engaging thumbnails. Use ChatGPT to generate viral YouTube titles with SEO keywords. Extra, use vidIQ or TubeBuddy for keyword research. Step 6. Editing and uploading. Combine voice plus video using CapCut or Descript, AI-based editors. Add music from YouTube audio library or Epidemic Sound. Pro tip, use YouTube Studio AI to auto-generate captions. Step 7. Automation tips. Automate content ideas, scripts, scheduling using Zapier or Make. ChatGPT plus Google Sheets for planning. Optional, outsource thumbnail or editing via Fiverr using earnings. Final tips plus motivation. Show examples of successful faceless channels making $1K, $10K/month.
Once, an old farmer had 3 sons who always fought. He was worried they'd never live in peace. One day he gave them a bundle of sticks tied together and asked each to break it. They tried, but couldn't. Then he untied the bundle and gave them 1 stick each. They easily snapped them. The father smiled and said, "Alone, you're weak, but together you're strong like this bundle." The sons understood. From that day on, they worked together and stopped fighting. Moral unity is strength.